안녕하세요. Hi everyone. For today's Eat Your Namul, I'm going to share with you sweet and sour doenjang dressing with a hint of yuja, East Asian citrus, which is also called yuzu. Today we'll be using Yuja-cheong preserved Yuja Marmalade, which you can get at your local Asian store. What's doenjang, you say? It's Korean fermented soybean paste similar to Japanese miso, and it's one of the essential ingredients for Korean cooking. Citrusy and nutty doenjang dressing beautifully balances bitter vegetables like endives. First, let's make the dressing. Peel 1/6 of a nashi pear, around 30 grams, cut into small pieces and add it to a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of doenjang, 1 tablespoon of Yuja-cheong, Yuja citron marmalade, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Blend it until smooth for about 20 seconds. Now for the endives. Cut the endive in half lengthwise and repeat again to make quarters. If your endive is big, tear some of the bigger leaves. Rinse and drain using the salad spinner. And some slices of sweet and crisp nashi pear to make it more refreshing. I just like my nashi pear peeled, but you can of course eat it with the peel. Add it to the bowl with the endives. Pour in the dressing and add a teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Toss it together well with your hands or just simply using salad spoon and fork. But wait! Pro tip, for that extra aroma and nuttiness, sprinkle some toasted pine nuts for garnish. Sweet, sour, and nutty dressing really creates a beautiful balance with endives and pear. And so crunchy too. Serve it with your favorite dishes, it really goes well with anything. Stay tuned for the next namul dish and let us know how you liked it.